Welcome to WT Bot Builder. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adding contacts to Bravo from a WhatsApp chatbot using the Bot Sailor HTTP API. With WT Bot Builder, you can effortlessly collect user emails through the chatbot and automatically add them to your Bravo email list. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, we need to create the HTTP API. To do this, navigate to Settings from WT Bot Builder's dashboard. Then head over to HTTP API and select WhatsApp HTTP API. Click the Create button. Give your API a name and set the method to post. Next, we have to add a test subscriber ID, which you can find in WT Bot Builder. Go to the Subscriber Manager, search for a subscriber, and copy the subscriber ID. Paste the ID into the subscriber ID field. Visit Developers, navigate to Guides, and then select REST API Key Concepts. You'll find the URL mentioned in the descriptions. Go to the Request section and copy the URL. Now return to WT Bot Builder and paste this URL in the appropriate field. Now add the header data in the header key. Enter content type. Make sure both C and T are capitalized and set the header type to static value for the header value. Enter application JSON. Next, add another header for the header key. Enter API key and set the header type to static. In the header value, we need to include the API key to find this. Go to your Bravo account, click on your account and select SMTP and API. Then go to API keys and click on Generate a new API key button. Name the API key, click Generate and copy the API key. Paste this into the header value. Now in the body data, choose JSON and enter the provided code. This will be in the description. Replace the email ID with the email variable and change the name with the full name variable. These variables are custom field and system field that we use to store data on WT Bot Builder. Also update the list ID if you want to add contacts to a specific list. For now, we are keeping this as it is. Next, click on the Verify Connection button, then click Load Data to check the raw data. This will generate an ID. After that, click Save API. Your campaign has now been created successfully. Now let's move to the Bot Manager to create a new chatbot. Assign keywords and give the bot a name. Next, we'll add a user input flow. This flow will collect user emails which will be added to the Bravo email list. Select Add New Input Flow and give it a name. Add the final reply for the user input flow. We'll set the question later. Next, add the HTTP API element to the bot. Double-click and select the campaign we just created. Then go back to the user input flow and set up a question asking for the user's email address. Write a message prompting them to provide their email. Set the reply type to email and choose the custom field where the email will be saved. We use this custom field in the campaign, Save the Bot Flow. Now test the campaign. And that's how you can collect emails using a WhatsApp chatbot and automatically save them to a Bravo email list. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.